the spice of life. In the heart of a bustling market, nestled between the vibrant stalls of fruits and textiles, stood an unassuming shop known simply as the Spice Emporium. Its proprietor, an elderly woman named Mira, was a master of her craft. With a twinkle in her eye and a voice that danced like the fragrant steam rising from her pots, she had spent decades gathering spices from distant lands. One rainy afternoon, a curious traveler named Elara wandered into the shop. The air was thick with the intoxicating aromas of cinnamon, cardamom, and saffron. She was mesmerized, but Mira noticed a hint of melancholy in her eyes. "What brings you here, dear?" Mira asked, her hands deftly mixing a blend of spices. "I seek adventure," Elara replied, "but I feel lost, as if the world has dulled my senses." Mira smiled knowingly. "Life is much like these spices, dear. Each one has its own unique character. Some are fiery and bold, while others are sweet and subtle. To find adventure, you must embrace the variety." With that, Mira offered Elara a small pouch filled with a special blend of spices called Journey's Essence. "Use this in your cooking, and let it remind you of the flavors of life. Adventure lies not just in faraway lands, but in the moments we savor." Inspired, Elara returned to her kitchen, infusing her meals with the vibrant essence of the spices. Each dish became a celebration, drawing friends and strangers alike to her table. And in doing so, Elara discovered that the true spice of life was not merely in travel, but in the connections and experiences shared along the way.